The carburetor O-ring seals the carburetor to the air filter base. Over time, the O-ring can harden and crack. A bad O-ring can allow dirt into the engine, which will lead to costly repairs. Replacing the carburetor O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. Now I can remove the air filter. Now remove the two screws that secure the air filter base and the carburetor. Now I have access to the carburetor O-ring. I'll remove it and install the new one. Now I'll reassemble the air filter base to the carburetor. I'll insert the screws through the air filter base, then align it with the carburetor, and secure both pieces with the screws. Now I can install the filter onto the air filter base. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how easy it is to install the carburetor O-ring on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.